Hi all. Today let us discuss on the topic surface area to volume ratio. Okay. And this is Dr. M. Sethu. In this topic, today we are going to discuss on first what is surface area, next what is volume, and then what is surface area to volume, then how surface area to volume decreases when the size of the material or an object increases. Finally, how this concept is implemented in living organisms. Okay, so first let us discuss what is surface area, then the volume. Let us consider a rectangle. The surface area is nothing but the area that is outside the single wall. The rectangle has 6 walls in total, and this is one area, and like this it has 6 areas in 6 walls. And what is the volume? How much capacity of water or a fluid, so how much capacity of a liquid or a fluid this can hold. So volume is nothing but the capacity of the water can hold, and surface area is the area which is there outside the vessel. Okay, so this is volume and this is surface area. Now let us discuss how the surface area to volume ratio decreases when the size of a material increases. Consider 3 cubes of different size. Okay, let's consider the side of the wall is 1 centimeter. For a cube, all sides are equal, and here it is 2 centimeter, and here it is 3 centimeter. So we have 3 different sized cube. First cube size is 1 centimeter, that is length is 1 centimeter, breadth is 1 centimeter, and height is 1 centimeter, because all the sides of the cubes are equal. And second cube is 2 centimeter, and third cube is 3 centimeter. Okay, let's have a revision here. Okay. So first we are going to calculate surface area. Yes, A. Cube has 6 sides in total. The first side surface area is, since it is 1 centimeter, 1 into 1 is equal to 1 centimeter, and it has 6 sides. So 6 into 1 is equal to 6 centimeter. Surface area is 6 centimeter. Similarly, for 2 centimeter cube, the surface area is 2 into 2 is equal to 4 centimeter, and has 6 sides. So 6 into 4 is equal to 24 centimeter. And for a 3 centimeter cube, surface area is equal to 3 into 3 is equal to 9, and 6 9s are 54 centimeter in total. So now let us come to volume. Volume is equal to length into breadth into height. So 1 into 1 into 1, which is equal to 1 centimeter. And volume for this is equal to and volume 4, this is equal to 3 into 3 into 3, 27 centimeter. So now it has come to the volume area to surface area to volume ratio. SA is to volume, which is equal to 6 is to 1, and surface area to volume ratio for 2 centimeter cube is 24 is to 8. So that is, and surface area is to volume ratio for 2 centimeter cube is 54 is to 27, that is 2 is to 1. From this you can say that which surface area to volume ratio is high. That is, for 1 centimeter cube we have the surface area to volume ratio is 6 is to 1, and surface area to volume ratio for 2 centimeter cube is 3 is to 1. Surface area to volume ratio for cube with 3 centimeter is 2 is to 1. So 6 is to 1 is larger in size. As the size of the cube increases from 1 to 3, the volume increases 27 times. See, here it is 1 and here it is 27. When the size of the cube increases from 1 centimeter to 3 centimeter cube, actually the volume increases from 1 centimeter to 27 centimeter. But what happens is, see the surface area to volume ratio, when there is 6 centimeter is the surface area and the surface area for 3 centimeter is 54 centimeter. So what actually happens is 6 centimeter has increased to 54 centimeter. So now let us imagine. I'll give you a live example with in the represents of biology. Okay, have this concept in mind. I'll come back to I'm going to biology now, and we'll discuss how every organisms are in the basis of surface area to volume. I'll explain you. Now consider a microorganism. Let us consider this is a unicellular microorganism. That is, total distance from outside cell membrane to inside nucleus is approximately 1 micrometer. Consider this is a unicellular microorganism. So how this unicellular organism intakes its food? What are the food it takes? It takes oxygen, it takes glucose, it takes amino acid, etc. So how this food enters into this microorganism? That is through diffusion. So through diffusion, the oxygen, the glucose, the amino acid enters into the unicellular microorganism. Okay, so if this is the total surface area and this is the total volume of the microorganism. So this food can easily enter into the microorganism with the help of diffusion. Okay, because it is the distance the food need to travel is approximately 1 micrometer. Now consider a large size human body, large size organism, human. Now let us consider a large size organism, human. Okay. If if human is having only one cell, is it possible for us to diffuse the food from outside environment to inside through diffusion? It is practically impossible, because the distance the food must travel from outside to inside is approximately 5 centimeter. Here the distance is 1 micrometer, but here the distance is 5 centimeter. So the food cannot easily diffuse into the body if we have only one single cell. And this is the case, we have millions of cells in the body, and we have specialized transport system and exchange system. Transport system in the sense, the heart which circulates the blood throughout the body, and the blood transmit the nutrition from one part of the body to other part of the body. And exchange system for oxygen is your lungs, and we have an intestine. Okay, so what is that inside the lungs and what is that inside the intestine to increase the surface area? Lungs has alveoli which helps in oxygen transfer, and similarly the intestine has villi that absorbs the nutrition from the food and sends to the blood, and that is circulated into the body. Okay, and this is how surface area to volume ratio plays a major role in every living organism. Thank you.